Hi everyone, it's Gail at Ladyfingers Sewing. We just got in a fabulous shipment of Aboriginal prints. These are by different designers from M&S Textiles, and those of you who are fans of the Aboriginal prints, these will not disappoint. They are absolutely gorgeous. We got about, I don't know, 20 some or so, and we have about 6 more coming. They're on back order, but they should be arriving here soon as well. So I'll go through them. These are all brand new designs. The Aboriginal prints, they don't come out with new designs every day, so it's very special when they do. This one is called Bush Flowers Ecru, and it's designed by Doolin, and she's done some amazing designs over the years, and this one certainly does not disappoint. So absolutely gorgeous. Here we go with the next one. This lovely thing is also by Doolin, and this is Bush Flowers in purple. Isn't it amazing what color does to a motif, what it does to a design? And it's totally different from the yellow one you just saw. So this is Bush Flowers purple. Next, this is a beautiful big print called Ladies Dancing with Water Paints in purple, and this one is by Roseanne. Absolutely spectacular. The print works that M&S executes on these designs is just fantastic. Everything's well defined, the colors are separated beautifully, there's very little muddying or anything like that. Really great stuff. And next, this one's going to last 5 minutes, so if you want it, you better come and get it. I did double up on my shipments, so I do have nice stock on these. This one is called Roaring 40s in purple, and this beauty is by Greg Matthews. Next, we have Bush Flowers in blue by Doolin. And this one again, a wonderful execution, really great to fussy cut, would make a spectacular border or just chop it up in all your patchwork. Next, I might have to get this one myself too. This one's Desert Flora purple, designed by Roseanne Ellis, and she's done some amazing work over the years as well. Really, really pretty. And this sweet baby is called Roaring 40s in yellow by Greg Matthews. Spectacular golden yellow with orange and red, just wonderful and juicy. Next, we have Bush Tomato and Waterhole in blue, and this one is by Cindy Wallace. And here we come, another fabulous one, Sunset Night Dreaming in purple by Heather Kennedy. Absolutely spectacular. Same motif, different colorway, Sunset Night Dreaming in blue. This is a great shade of blue too, and the highlights are not bright white, they're just a barely off-white, which makes it really nice. Next, great turquoise color, Desert Flora in blue. So even though it's turquoise, they're calling it blue, so be careful. And this is, of course, is by Roseanne Ellis. Same print, different color, Desert Flora in green by Roseanne Ellis. Just wonderful. 3 more. This is Women Dancing Near Waterhole in purple by Doolin. So there's a story behind every one of these patterns, and we'll try to dig those stories up and get them on the website as well under the descriptions for these spectacular designs. They're very special. Another gorgeous one, this is also Women Dancing Near Waterhole by Doolin, and again it's a multicolored colorway, so you have a lot of lively activity going on in this print. And finally, Women Dancing Near Waterhole in blue. Just spectacular. There's yellow and blue together, and that's very, very desired right now, as you all know. So Women Dancing Near Waterhole in blue. So watch for fat quarter bundles in these. I know from the previous videos we've done. Recently we did a new spectacular fat quarter bundle in the new dimple colors as well as a jewel one, and we'll certainly have fat quarter bundles for these new designs from M&S Textiles. So thanks for watching.